Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmos. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And particularly, please hit the like button if you find this video helpful, as it's a way to encourage me to do more videos. So, in this video, the thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating the virtual environment. So let us get right straight into it. And let's not forget, this is the same site that we'll be using because we want to extract the site, and Meluso has provided this. And let me also remind you that there's a plan for Meluso to use to make this open source, but for now it has a limitation. All you can do on this site is you can only use a Meluso email address, so which means you have to have a Meluso account. And as it is, Meluso gives you a 14-day trial where you can have all access to everything that Meluso offers, so you can use that. And also remember that Meluso helps you to extract contents from your email and also your SMS. So that being said, let's get right into it. So I'm going to create a project in Python, so I'll create a new project. Okay, so I will create this in the YouTube project classes, and I will name this the my Meluso. Just name it this way. Okay, so I'll name it this and I'll open that. So what we want to do is we can automatically create the virtual environment by just doing this on PyCharm. Why I'm opting for PyCharm is because it's pretty straightforward with some. It makes it easy to manipulate some things as opposed to using VS Code for it. So that's why I opted for this, and you can find videos on how you can download PyCharm on my previous playlist in Python and Selenium. So I would not do that. I will show you how you can create this manually. I don't need to create a main py file, so we can I think I have another. Okay, let me use this one. I have another interpreter there, so we can go ahead and just create this. So we wait for it to load up and do all that is necessary. So now that that is done, I can just come here and open the terminal, right? So what I want to do is what I want to mention here is there are several ways you can create a virtual environment. PyEnv is one of them, virtual env is one of them. There is even another one called Vex. There are several ways, but the one I want to use in this video is virtual env. So you can initially install it into your Python package with the pip command by doing a pip. Let me try to zoom this and see. Let me try to zoom up view. I don't think there's a way to zoom this. I really just want to increase the screen so we can have I hope it's big enough. So as I was saying, you can pip install virtual env if you don't have it before, but I already have it, so I don't need to do this. So all I just need to do is just click on virtual env, right? And the name of the virtual environment I want to create, venv, and I click on enter. I hit the enter key and it automatically creates the virtual environment for me. That's it. So in order for me to activate it, if I'm using a Mac system, all I just need to do is type source, the name of the virtual environment I've just created, then I put a / to get into the bin folder of that place, then I put another / and click the activate batch file. It's a batch file, so that is click. And so once I hit enter, you would have seen something here, which means I'm now in the virtual environment. So I have activated the virtual environment, and this brings us to the end of this video. I want to make it short so people don't get lost in it. So that brings us to the end of the video. That's how you create a virtual environment in one of the ways you can create a virtual environment, actually, not the only way. So with that done, thank you for getting this far if you've gotten this far. So in the next video, I'll see you again, and God willing, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.